Hi guys, so, so in the previous video we had imported all the dependency and had created the project. So in this video we will create the component and we'll write the HTML, CSS and the TypeScript functionality. First of all, the command to generate the component is ng c the component name. So here let's say the component name is home. After creating the component, we have to go in our app.component or HTML file. We have to comment outer outlet and we have to add app home tag over here. We have to save it. So after saving, we can see that the home works, means our home component is working properly. Then in our home component, we have to go in a home component HTML file, and here we have to write our HTML code. After completion of HTML files, we can see that there are lots of error coming over here. So it is because we haven't declared it in our TypeScript file. As soon as we declare that in our TypeScript file, all the errors will be gone. But before that, we have to declare our CSS. After completion of CSS file, we have to finally go in our TypeScript file. So after setting our TypeScript file, we have to add a import statement in our style.css file. That is import bootstrap dist css bootstrap.css. After that, we can just save our thing and can see that whether our HTML template is working properly or not. Yeah, we can see that our HTML is perfectly fine. We're getting a static joke over here and everything is working properly. So in the next video, uh, we will integrate our UI with APIs, and then everything will work working.